this will be the latest version for the enclosure for this PCB. I 3D printed a lot of versions for it, and for example this will be version 1, and the idea was to use these things and just put it inside like that, but the problem is, I mean, it doesn't snap fit in. Then for the version 2, I adjusted the size of these and this and that and added extra 2 holes in it. So for the lid, it will be like that. And some little curved designs over here and there. And basically you put all of the hoses together and it will be like that. But the same problem, it falls. So with the version 3, I fixed that using so as you can see it there, and 2 here, 1, 2, and this is the third. And for the lid, you will see that, and then this one, and then this one. So when you put together, it will snap fit in. So let's try it. Okay. Moment of truth. Yeah, it doesn't fall. Snapped in, no problem.